Oh, damn.
Sandra.
I dare you, bitch. I dare you.
Damn it, Mama. Why the fuck did you do that? That's why I didn't want to wrap it around this thing. That's why I wanted to leave the hairdryer out.
I didn't know.
It fucks the cord up. Look what you fucking did.
I'm
It's all
sorry.
twisted and fucked up. Nothing's going on my fucking straightener. That's why I wanted to leave my hairdryer out. But no, everything has been fucking perfect and clean and nothing out for you.
Reality TV.
Mom, shut the fuck up. Fucking dude.
Oh, hell no. I'm gonna get you now. It's on, bitch. It's on.
Oh, there's a weed man.
Fucking bitch. Where?
You get some weed from him right now.
No.
Hold on. Move.